Welcome dear students. We are studying subject mathematics. Lesson number 1, Roman numerals. Students, in the previous session we have seen that which capital letters are used to denote the particular international numbers. Based on that, we are going to solve the practice set 1 today. Students, here is the question number 1 in front of us. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. Let us see what is the answer. Here you can see all 1 to 20 numbers are written in Roman numerals. We have studied 4 rules to write the Roman numerals. Using those rules, we have written these Roman numerals from 1 to 20. Question number 2. Write the following numbers using international numerals. Let us see what is the answer. Here they have given us Roman numerals and we have to write in the international numerals. So we have already studied V stands for number 5. Second, VII. So we have to consider that V is 5. So as these both I are to the right side of this 5, we have to add them. So 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. Third example, X stands for 10 is known to you children, and XII means X plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Fifth example, XIV. X stands for 10 and this I is to the left hand side of the V. V stands for 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Similarly here XVI. So here I is to the right side of the V. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Next example, VIII means 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8th example, IX means I is to the left hand side of the X. So we have to subtract this value from the X stands for 10. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Now let us solve the next question. Fill in the empty boxes. In your textbook, this type of table is printed where you can see in first row the numbers are written in words, while in the second row Roman numerals are printed. Now here some of the fill in the blanks are there where you have to write the proper answer. So if you will observe the first column, here the number is printed as 3. We have to write in Roman numerals. So we have to write I and I. Here Roman number is printed. We have to write the particular number in words. So likewise you can find all answers written over here. Answers are written with the red color. Question number 4. Write the numbers using Roman numerals. Now here the numbers are given. We have to write them in the Roman numerals. 9, we have to write IX. Next one, 2. For 2 we have to write I. For 17 we have to write XVI. For 4 we have to write IV. For 11 we have to write XI. And lastly for 18 we have to write XVIII. Fifth question. In the table below, each given number is written in international numerals like this in the first row. Then again in Roman numerals. In second row you can see children the numbers are written in the Roman numerals also. If it is correctly written in Roman numerals, you have to put a tick mark in the box under it, and if not, means if it is wrong, we have to put a cross and then we have to correct it. So children, you can see international numerals, Roman numerals, and third row we have to put cross or tick. So first number is 4. So below that they have printed it into Roman numerals, I 4 times. So this is wrong. So here I have written it in correct way, IV. Next is 6. It is written as VI and it is correct. Third is 8. It is written as IIX. So this is wrong. We have to write it as VIII. Next example is 16, which is mentioned as XVI, and this is the correct way to write the Roman numerals. Lastly, we can see the number is 15, which is written as VVV, but we never write V consecutively for 3 times or even 2 times. So this is wrong and this one is the correct answer. Students, I hope your concept about Roman numerals is clear now. Here our first lesson is finished.